What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, we made it past hump day, and on top of it, the weekend is almost here and we're trying to get you ready early. Now we got a couple of bad watch faces to check out today. These you gotta go download ASAP. It is free for the taking. Trust me on this one, it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store and worthy of a download. All right, now not only are the watch faces brand new, but the developer, I believe, is brand new too. He only has 2 watch faces in his lineup, and both of them we're going to review today. And again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if it's a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Alexa Gear, and no, Alexa AI is not inside of this watch. I wish, but it is not. Now, look at the watch face, right? You get an analog look / digital, but the analog look at this watch face looks beautiful. It has a traditional look to it as well, along with being a sporty looking watch face at that. Now, in the AOD mode, you're gonna get the same look, same design, same info, and it's gonna look good in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job on this one. So I'm going to give him 3 thumbs up in the door for the creativity and the simple design of this watch face. Now here's what you get. You get your traditional numbers. You're also going to get Alexa at the top. Again, don't get confused with the Alexa AI. You get a couple of dials. One is going to be for your battery. The other is going to be for your step info. And if you look down at the bottom, you are going to get digital time. You're going to get your step info. You're also going to get the date. Now, again, the color, the black theme in the background, this watch face looks nice. Now, I'm thinking, people, not only can you get away with dressing super casual with this one, but I'm thinking you can get away with dressing up with this watch face as well. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's finish reviewing the watch face. First of all, it is inactive. So if I tap on the battery, I can get my battery info. If I tap right here, I can bring up my step status info as well. And if I tap here, I can go in and get my settings. If I tap here, I can set a favorite there and also here. So you get 2 places to make this watch face just that much more convenient. And if I tap here, I can go ahead and get information on my contacts, make a phone call if I so choose. And over here, you're going to be able to get your stopwatch. So I thought this was a good look. The hands look nice. You got a smooth second hand going around the bezel of the watch. Yes, this is one that's worthy to be in your lineup. People, do not miss out on this one, right? But you also can color coordinate. Double tap. Now we're going to go through all the colors because this developer gives you plenty to choose from and they all look good. What do you think thus far, people? I think he did a really good job. I'm giving this guy 3 thumbs up in the door for the creativity and the simple design of such an analog watch face. And yeah, hit me in the comment section down below, people. I gotta know your thoughts on this one. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. Adrian, Jonathan, Jackie. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. I need to know your thoughts on this one. Now, if you like number 1, you're going to be in love with number 2. Number 2 is off the charts. Now, this one also is free for the taking as well, so make sure you download right after the video. Now, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Viper Galaxy. I like this look. It's definitely a casual watch face, but it stands out. So if you're going to hit the town and you're going to a cookout or you're hanging out with family and friends, this is a nice timepiece to have on your wrist. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look. It's going to give you info and your step status info. And also, you're going to get your analog time. You'll be able to see it with no problem. But once the watch face is on, again, I thought the guy did an excellent job on this design of this watch face. Very unique. Definitely it stands out. I have not seen anything like this in the Gear Manager store yet. So definitely this guy is going to get 3 thumbs up in the door for the design and the creativity of this watch face. Now, looking at it, if you look at the top, it's going to give you a battery info. It's going to use the meter to give it to you as well. Then you get your step status here, let you know how much of your goal you have completed. And over here, you're going to get the days of the week and you're going to get your date as well. But those dials have a very nice look to them. I like the style of the hands, and the hands also match the meter needle that's in both dials. Very nice. Now, down here, you're going to get your digital time, your step info, heart rate, calories burned, miles walked or ran. And this guide gives you shortcuts. So with a single tap, you can go into any shortcut you want to. I'm telling you, you're going to like this one. And so you get to go into, of course, your weather, your messages, of course, like you see in your music, your schedule. You can go into your email if you so choose. So whatever you decide to do is just with a single tap and you're in. Now the watch face is interactive as well. So if I tap on this side where my step is, I get my heart rate information. On this side with calories burned, I can go in and get more of my step status info, calories burned, floors climbed, my sleep, of course, heart rate, stress, things of that nature. And if I go up to the top and I tap right here in this dial, I can get my step status info. And over here, I can set a shortcut or a favorite, which I like. And up at the top, of course, you know what you get with that one, your battery. But now, this is the most unique part of the watch face. I'm going to double tap in the center and it changes the theme. Now you get 28 total different themes in this watch face, right? So we're going to cycle through them all just to give you an idea what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. This green looks awesome, right? You get different shades of color as well. What do you think, people? Did the developer get down on this one or what? So hit me in the comment section down below, people. You gotta let me know your thoughts on this one. And is it a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.